Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So today I'm bringing you a brand new update for Aiomatic and a new feature. So it will be for OmniBlocks. In the latest update of the plugin, you will see OmniBlock Files tab here in the AI OmniBlocks menu. And actually you will be able to find your files that the OmniBlocks create there. So yeah, you heard this right. You will be able to use OmniBlocks of save. You will be able to generate data using AI and save the data to files on your server storage, or actually you will be able also to save it on cloud storage. So let me show you how to work with this. So in the latest update for Aiomatic, you will be able to use a brand new OmniBlock type. So if you scroll down in the OmniBlock type selector here, you will be able to find save to file. So this is the new OmniBlock file type, so save to file. And you will be able to add this OmniBlock. And for example, instead of saving WordPress posts, we will be able to save to file our data. So for this, let's add also a text generator OmniBlock and put it before the save to file OmniBlock. And here let's write something like write a short poem based on this subject. And we will be using the keyword shortcode for this. The keyword shortcode will take values from this input field. So let's enter keyword, our main keyword here, WordPress plugins. Okay, so write a short poem based on this subject. The keyword will be replaced with WordPress plugins. And now all we have to do is get the results of this OmniBlock and save it to file using this other OmniBlock. So in the main file content, we will be able to use the shortcode that the previous OmniBlock ID5 generated, AI text 5, and we will be able to select the file type and where we want to save the file that we generate. So let's save this on Amazon S3, for example. And all we have to do is save settings. To have the Amazon S3 available, you will need also to install the Aiomatic extension Amazon S3 storage. So this single extension will enable you to use not only the Amazon S3 extension, but also Wasabi Cloud, Cloudflare, and DigitalOcean extensions will become available for you, besides of the local storage, which is available by default. So these four options will become available also if you get this extension, which is also linked in this video's description. Okay, so now let's refresh our bucket here. It's empty. And for details on how to set up the bucket, you will need to go to the plugin main settings and check the cloud storage tab. So here you will be able to set up the Amazon S3, the Wasabi, Cloudflare R2 storage, and DigitalOcean Spaces storage. So we will be using Amazon S3 this time. And the folder name, I can also create a folder and set it. It's my images like you see here. Okay, so I already set this up. And now all you have to do is run this rule now. So now the plugin generates AI generated text and saves it to our Amazon S3 storage. So the green check mark appeared. If we refresh our Amazon storage, here it is, the file is available. Also, we can go to OmniBlock files and click Sync OmniBlock files. So now we will see that the file appeared also here. We can view it, download it, or delete it. So these are options. Let's view it actually directly here in Amazon S3. So yeah, this is the object URL. Let's save it. And here it is, WordPress plugins. Oh, how you enhance the functionality of WordPress, a beautiful dance, and so on. Okay, now we can actually manage this file from the Omniblock Files menu here. We can go ahead and click delete for it, and this will delete the file also from our Amazon S3 bucket. So if we refresh it, it will be once again empty. Okay, so we can manage file. We can also upload our own files. For this, you can choose the file that you want to upload, select the location where you want to upload it, and click this Upload Omniblock File button. You can sync Omniblock files to refresh this list, and in the Omniblock Manager, you will be able to save files. I want to show you one more interesting thing, so let's actually recreate this file. And I recreate this file because I want to show you a new Omniblock type that you can use. So we will be able to actually get data from our Omniblock generated files. So you will see a new Omniblock load file content, and this Omniblock, if added here, for example, will actually be able to select the file from where you want to load the content, and this will actually load the content, the textual content from the file, and the AI will be able to process it. So let's put the load file content Omniblock here first. Afterwards, let's add here, instead of a subject, let's say change the theme of this poem from WordPress to okay, and let's add the file AX. This is the Omniblock result that will be we will get the file result from the Omniblock ID AX. So file AX will get the contents of this file, and all we have to do now is save to a new file, but this time let's yeah, this is it. All we have to do is save settings, and let's run importing again. And this time we get this, change the theme of this poem from WordPress to okay, and Omniblock files. If we sync it, we will have a new file, and if we view it, it would say Magento this time, not WordPress. Okay, so as you can see, this is how you will be able to process the files that you create, upload them, save them, manage them, and also use cloud storages to actually save the files. And don't forget, the extension is needed for the cloud storage. The local storage will work out of the box, and I hope you will enjoy this new feature of Aiomatic. Okay, so if you have ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. Any idea you have is welcome. I read the comments each time. Like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed this content, and thanks for watching. Until then, this is all for today. Bye bye.